Hello, this is Steven. I'm here to show you a quick fix. A lot of times hinges wind up getting loose. One of the ways that they wind up getting loose is somebody sticks a wedge in there on a door that wants to close. And what that's going to do is that's going to spring your hinges. So first of all, don't do that. Put the wedge down here. Then your hinges, save your hinges. But when the hinges are damaged, there's ways to fix that. This one's become, the hole is loosened up so much that the screw really isn't doing any good. However, it's not going to come out all on its own either. If I put the drill on it, it just sits there and spins. So I'm going to take my pliers Now, whoever put these in did it right. They used nice long screws that go all the way through the frame of the door and into the structure of the building. On a heavy door like this, you've got to have that. It's also good for security. Makes the door that much more resistant to somebody kicking it in. We'll get there eventually. Let's see if it's loosened up enough. There we go. Okay. If you look in this hole right here, I've already filled it. This hole's loose. This won't fit. So what we want to do is we want to put more material in there so that the threads will grab again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a typical shish kebab skewer that you can get at any grocery store for a couple bucks. You can get a whole pack of them. I'm going to put just a dab of glue on here. Doesn't really need much. A lot of people don't put any glue at all. Drive it all the way in until you feel it stop. Then you just break it off. Okay. Now I've got a good place to replace that screw.
Let's see what you're talking about here.
That's the way it should work. And that's your tip for the day. Of course, I always remember something after I've done the video, right? So here's a couple more tips. First of all, check to make sure the screw holes in the door are okay as well. In my case, they were all fine, but oftentimes they're not. And this works just as well in the door as it does in the door frame. It also works in plenty of other instances. It doesn't have to be a door. The other thing you can use might go over pretty good if you're a golfer and you've got some used golf tees. They work great. They pound in well and they're nice and wide. They'll fill up those screw holes pretty well. Another thing, you can use toothpicks if you absolutely have to. I find they're kind of nice in that you can add them to fill the screw holes the right size, but they're a little cumbersome to work with. They also don't go around as far as some of the other things. Anyway, hope this helps you. If this is at all useful to you, tell me so. I'll make some more.